To prepare bio to mop, remove his dust bin, open the colored tab on top of the bin and fill it with water. Use distilled water if you are located in an area with hard water. Close the tab and make sure it's shut tight, then reinsert the dustbin until locked in place. Next, place a mopping cloth over the top of the mop attachment. Align the mop attachment connectors with those of the dustbin and press to lock in place. If you have rooms or areas of the house where you do not want bio to wet mop, for example, carpets and area rugs, use the bObsweep app to create NoMop zones in those areas. To draw NoMop areas, open the bObsweep app and click on Map. Click the Edit icon to view the Map Edit toolbox. Then select Add NoMop Areas. Tap on the map where you want to add a NoMop zone. A striped blue rectangle will appear on the map. Resize and move to place the NoMop zone on the map where desired. Then tap on the zone to save or delete. Repeat to create up to 10 NoMop zones on the map. To delete a NoMop zone, double-tap the unwanted NoMop zone and select Delete. To edit a NoMop zone, tap the zone, move or edit it, then tap it again and hit Save. Hit Back to return to the Map Edit toolbox. Once bio is finished mopping, remove the mop attachment right away so you can detach and wash the mopping cloth. Set the mop attachment and mopping cloth aside to dry. Remove the dustbin, pull open the tab, and completely empty the reservoir. You can leave the tab open to let the reservoir dry before reinserting the dustbin and letting bio dock to recharge. Bio stays out of NoMop zones only when he has a mop attachment connected. To ensure bio can vacuum those areas, always remove the mop attachment before a vacuuming session starts. If you need additional help with bio's mop, please get in touch with our helpful support team.